everybody and welcome. Today's video we're going to be talking about spoilers for Boxycharm October boxes. I'm pretty excited about what we have, well, what we know so far. So anyways guys, if you are new here, hi, hello and welcome. My name is Ron and over here it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we always embrace the hot mess and we are just all about positivity here. That's it, period. It's just makeup, it's just unboxings, it's just reviews, it's just having a good old time. So hopefully you decide to stick around. Don't forget there's a giveaway going on over on my Instagram. Make sure you're following me over there as well. We're trying to get that 10K swipey uppy. If you guys are curious about my kimono top that I have, it's Glitzy Girl Boutique. You guys know that is like my latest obsession, is finding cutesy little cozy clothes over there, and I thought it paired perfectly with the OFRA Cosmetics Spanglish palette that we saw in our September base box. I have a whole video coming very soon for you guys. I filmed this look, so that'll be coming over here on this channel, as well as I'll be popping up some footage over on Instagram, so you will not miss it. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into some of our sneak peek spoilers that we know about for October. Guys, so before I get into the actual sneak peeks that we have, you know, Joe has shown us, he has confirmed, I do want to tell you guys about some important dates you don't want to miss out, and the latest one is September 14th. Now this is for all premium Luxe members plus waitlisters for premium and Luxe. This is when you're going to be able to jump into your account and pick your base box choice item, which I'm not 100% what it is just yet, but as soon as I find out, you guys know I'll be coming back and giving you guys as much information as I can. And this is also when add-ons open up. This is when you can get up to 70% off of amazing items. Now last month, not only was this an item that we could see in the September box, but it was also an add-on, and I did want to talk about it real quick because I'm hoping we will see the Kate Somerville line in our add-ons. Reason being, this is the exfoliate, and I wanted to talk real quick about it. My mom has been using this. She picked it up during the add-on or the Boxy pop-up last month. She picked up the exfoliate as well as the moisturizer, and her skin looks amazing. I know some people were not sure if it would work for dry skin. My mom has dry sensitive skin, and the exfoliate she uses once a week, maybe no more than twice a week, and she has loved it, and she paired it with the moisturizer. Both are crazy expensive, but if you get it during add-ons, you save a heck of a ton of money, and I would definitely recommend it. So hopefully we're going to see Kate Somerville. This is, like I said, add-on September 14th opens up for premium and Luxe members and the waitlisters, so you can get in there. You can start doing some holiday shopping, some growing your collection shopping, whatever it may be. September 15th is when it opens up for everybody else, as well as base box members. You'll be able to get in there and make your choices, and like I said, as soon as I know what the choices are, I'll be coming back and doing another video for you guys on that with all the information that I can find. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the items that Joe just showed us yesterday, which was, okay, Tuesday for me. It'll be a couple days ago for you. I'm an overthinker. Okay, so the first item that he did give a confirmation on is for the premium box, and this is a Clarence Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch, and this is a $39 item. I'm looking over at Ulta right now. Out of 194 reviews, this thing has about 4.5 stars, so this is supposed to be a really good product apparently. So a little information about this. It says a Clarence Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch. Clarence award-winning makeup primer with skin smoothing micro pearls and light diffusing pink pearl pigments instantly diminishes fine lines, wrinkles, and enlarged pores while protecting skin from pollution and free radical damage. Wow, this solution is for fine lines, wrinkles, enlarged pores, dullness. Man, I was sitting here going, okay, if this is a choice item out of this one and the other item, I was gonna go for the other item. But now the more I read up on this, it's like got is it acacia micro pearls? Wow, this sounds absolutely amazing. Instant smooth. This is wow. Okay, I'm really excited about this. So like I said, 4.5 stars out of 5 with 195 reviews. It is a $39 product. I'm pulling this directly from Ulta as far as that goes. And as we know, Clarence is a really, really good skincare line. Oof, I'm so on the fence now. Okay, so the next confirmation that he did give us is by Murad, and this is the hydrating toner. Has a retail value of $35, and I'm actually over on Sephora's site right now. This is currently out of stock at Sephora. This has 302 reviews, and it has almost 4.5 stars. A little information on this: it is alcohol. It's an alcohol-free toner that replenishes lost moisture to refresh skin and prepare it for treatment. Now, originally, this is what I was going to go with because I thought, oh, this is perfect. I have enough skincare. I'm just going to go with the toner. But the other one sounds like you can use it as a primer. So I'm like, I'm on the fence. Thanks, Joe. It says it's a hydrating toner. It is a lightweight mist that rehydrates and refreshes skin while restoring the skin's natural pH balance and neutralizing surface impurities. Wow. Okay, it is free of paraben, sulfates, phthalates, and everything. I am really on the fence. I don't know if this is going to be a choice item as far as that goes, or if it's going to be a variation. He may have said, and I may have missed it because I was so like, which one do I want? But as far as that goes, I don't know anymore. So if you guys have tried both products, let us know down below. Help us out, because if this is a choice item, your girl's going to be struggling. I'm really hoping that we see, like last month, what we saw as far as the premium, as far as the base went. When it came to our choices, we were also finding those choices in Boxy pop-up. So I'm hoping that I can do what I did last month and I couldn't make the choice. I made a choice for the Ole Henriksen oh, it's like the fat moisture. I don't even know what it is. It's like a facial or something. I'm still waiting on my premium paid for box. But I went ahead and I chose that. And then I happened to shop again at Boxy Pop-Up, and I found all the other items that were choice items over there for like 12 bucks. So I went ahead and stocked up and I got it too. So hopefully we'll see that again. I don't know if any of that made sense. Okay, so we do have a third sneak peek, but I haven't received confirmation yet from Joe as far as that goes. The only reason that we saw this is because he was showing us the Clarence item and the Murad item, and then in the back we see this palette over here. I'll show you the picture that I took from his live that he did. And then you guys are like legit like FBI agents, and I posted about it and you guys started tagging me over at Boxycharm News on Instagram. As you guys know, anything I pull from Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, I always leave the handle in there. I want to give credit where credit is due, and it's also a nice way for you guys to find other Instagram handles that also follow Boxycharm and love to use their FBI skills to find out what Joe has in the background for us. So Boxycharm News, you guys were tagging me over there, and this palette, they know that it is by Illuminati Cosmetics, and it says Illuminati times ISA, I believe, or ISA. I'm hungry. Did you guys hear that? My stomach just completely growled. So rude. Anyways, but this is by Illuminati Cosmetics, and this is a really pretty palette. Like a very, very, very pretty palette. So not 100% if this is something we are going to see in the Boxycharm Premium Box for October. Like I said, this has not been a confirmed spoiler just yet. It was just something that Joe had laying in the background that we came across, and you guys were able to figure out the brand and everything. And I'm pretty excited about this palette. I'm liking the pops of colors, specifically the pastel-y types of colors. You guys know that I picked up the ColourPop Meant to Be palette and the Candyland palette, and I have been loving the whole pastel vibe. So excited about that. So like I said, that is not a confirmed spoiler just yet, at least at the time of filming, but I hope that we will be seeing it. Now, some other items that we do have that are 100% confirmed that we have talked about in the past is one being by Tarte Cosmetics. This is the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist. Now this mist is very, I'm curious about it, like no joke. I'm pretty curious about it. This is something we're going to be seeing in the base box, and it does have a retail value of $23, and it's supposed to be like a setting spray is my understanding, and it's supposed to help make your makeup like water resistant. I wouldn't say waterproof. I mean, I don't know if anything can really be waterproof once it's makeup, but it's supposed to be more of like a resistant type of dealio. So excited about testing that out. Another item that we have that is confirmed for the base box for October is the Dose of Color Concealer. Now I do feel 100% this is going to be a choice item, and if that's the case, that's awesome, because like we saw with the Too Faced concealer, we had like the whole shade range to choose from. So my best suggestion for you guys as far as the Dose of Colors concealer goes, go over to their website, because they are very specific with the undertones of everything. Now I personally have the shade 18 medium tan. It does have a neutral undertone, and it works perfect for me if I have my sunless tanner on. I do feel like it does oxidize just a little bit, but again, it works out perfect for me when I have my sunless tanner on, and I really like it. It's a dabble do you don't need too much. It is a full coverage type of concealer. It has a retail value of $24, and like I said, I really feel like this is going to be one of the items for the base box that is going to be a choice. So let me know down below if you guys are as excited about that concealer as I am, because when I saw that as a confirmation for the base box, I was like, that's amazing. That is amazing. So the last item that I have for you guys, and again, this is for the base box for October. This has been confirmed. This is by Beauty Bakery. This is a breakfast in bed eyeshadow palette. Retail value $38. Now a lot of you guys said when I did my last October spoiler video, you guys actually said that some of you guys had received this in a different subscription and you loved it. It's very pigmented. The formula was very easy to work with, and I think it's a beautiful palette. It's great, especially if you are not so into bright bold colors. You want more of that easy, just, you know, simple, neutral, natural kind of look. And I think it's really pretty. I think it's really nice and like bold but yet muted colors that it's going to work for a lot of people. So again, let me know what you are most excited about when it comes to all of these items. For me, I already have the Dose of Colors concealer. I'm still very excited about it. Curious about that setting spray, but I'm definitely curious to try the Beauty Bakery eyeshadow formula, so that has me pretty excited. And now I'm 10 times as confused when it comes to that Clarence and that Murad, because like I said, I was like, oh, I'm gonna go with the Murad. I'm just totally gonna do the Murad. I like the fact that it's a spray. We don't typically see that, but now reading about the Clarence, I'm like, oh, the struggle is real, friends. Let me know your thoughts down below. And that Illuminati Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, very pretty. Do I need another eyeshadow palette? Absolutely not. Do I want it? Of course. You guys know eyeshadow palettes are my weakness. Like I said, I'll be putting up a video over on Instagram. There will be one coming of how I actually did this very simple, easy eye look. Like I said, you guys know I'm not a makeup artist. I like to just play and have fun with makeup. So you guys can follow along if you happen to get this palette. I think I'll just pop that video up later in the month. Anyways, guys, don't forget, like I said, September 14th, very important. Make sure you are subscribed over here, because I always post in our community section when everything has gone live. So if you are a premium Luxe member, September 14th is going to be your time. I never know exactly what time everything will go live. It kind of varies. I've seen it go live at noon. I've seen it go live at 3. So we never really know when it will be, but if you are following me and you are subscribed, I will definitely make sure to post it in our community section. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below for you guys. If you're interested in signing up, whether it be the base, the premium box, getting on the wait list, whatever it may be, I'll have a link down below for you guys as well. I'm actually on Boxycharm's website right now, and if you use the code Add More 6all09, which I will have it down below for you guys. It does give you $6 towards your add-on. It is a coupon code, so if you sign up using my link down below, just go ahead and before you check out, use that coupon code and you will get $6 towards add-ons when that opens up for you. So I do want to let you guys know that that link is an affiliate link, so thank you guys in advance if you do decide to sign up using my link. Anyways, like I said, my little kimono is from Glitzy Girls Boutique. I will have that listed down below for you guys as well. Like I said, subscribe, follow me. Don't forget to check out Instagram because of the giveaway that is ending later this month. And I think that's all I have for you guys for now. You guys know I'll be coming back. I'll give you guys some more information on anything and everything that I find out. So until next time, friends, I just bit my tongue. Hot mess, we embrace it. Anywho, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.